one, it was decided would be state-of-the-art airship. Bigger, better, more powerful than anything yet seen in Germany.
At the Royal Airship Works in Cardington, government engineers began construction of the world's largest flying machine, the R101. Her original design included accommodation for up to 100 passengers and 16 tons of cargo. And her 5 million cubic feet gas capacity would be a third more than the Graf Zeppelin. 16 individual gas cells would provide the lift. Their fabrication created hundreds of specialist jobs. Each cell had an outside layer made from linen. An inner layer was fashioned from cattle intestines. Dog-beater skins of wool had been used for centuries by artisans in the production of gold leaf. But its exceptional gas type...
Sarah tells me that you're a consultant.
Yeah, mostly marketing, full advertising, brand management.
I have no idea what that means.
Yeah, no one does. That's why I get charged so much.
Are you sure you're all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, is it itchy in here, or is it just me?
Oh, I know what's happening.
No. You think that I'm in a stressful state, trying to make a good impression while also dealing with my commitment issues, trying to avoid all these awkward conversations.
No, I think you have food allergies. Oh.
What?
Vinegar? Where's the vinegar? Which one's out too?
Indra, can I wave for Mum?
You sure it's out too?
Here's your food, can I wave?
Really, it is not that serious.
Wait. Can I wave? Can I wave for Mum? Wait, can I wave? Stinky. Put you on a fight. Oh, I'll take you on. Can you wait for me? Wait, wave. Where's your foot? Wave. Wave. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, we're doing fine.
Ha 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 ha. Beautiful wings. Look at his chubby toys. Look at the chubby. Can you wave for Mum?
I bet this would be great on the rock.
Can you wave for Mum? Where's your foot, wave? Good girl. Can you wave for Mum? Funny girl.
What is an heiress doing with the CPA?
They're going to the next game.
Yeah? Or not? Whoa.
He loves her
Can you wave for Mum?
I'm
Wave.
sure he does.
Miss Indra, waves Mum.
People search their whole lives
Good
trying
girl.
to find the
Where's those waves?
I wouldn't know.
You wave? There's those waves.
Yeah. But you're never going to know that.
Okay, I think we've had enough of the juice box.
Where's your pretty wings? Where's your pretty wings? Oh no, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Brand new season close to home tonight, 10:55.
Channel 9. What I see, the sun is rising for you.
Can you wave for Mum? Where's my waves? Waves? Good girl. Waves? Good girl. Clever girl. Clever girl. Can you wave? I can't see that foot though. Good girl. Waving? Good girl. What a clever girl. Oh, cute. Ah, look at the nutty. Look at the nutty. Can you wave?